I am here with Mr. Vermin Supreme, and we're actually in the tail end of a Ted Cruz rally, but I found him here in New Hampshire, and he's going to be so kind to speak to us. Could you very quickly tell us about your presidential bid?
Well, once again, of course, my name is Vermin Supreme. I'm running for President of America. I am a friendly fascist. I'm a tyrant that you can trust, and you should let me run your life because I know what is best for you. My platform planks are as follows: zombie preparedness, time travel research, mandatory toothbrushing laws, and free ponies for all Americans. It is a federal pony identification system. You must have your pony with you at all times.
And why are you better than the candidates that we have on the GOP and on the Democratic side?
Well, I think it's very clear that I am a maverick, and I don't think we should really pay any attention to all these establishment candidates. They're just going to do the same thing over and over and over again. It's going to get us nowhere. But I am the only candidate who is actively working towards a pony-based economy. And once we have achieved Ponytopia, America is going to be a much better place. Thank you. My name is Vermin Supreme.
And so is that the key then, sir, to a better economy is a pony?
Yes, it is, of course. Once again, of course, many people ask me, Vermin, is it true that we will be using ponies for currency? I say no until we can make them really small. That makes no sense. That would be crazy. However, let me explain this. Ponynomics 101. Once we have universal pony ownership, then we shall own our ponies. Once we own our ponies, then we have equity in our ponies. Once we have equity, then we can borrow against it. Once we have created pony-based debt, then we will be able to create exotic financial instruments, including AAA bonds and such, and we will create a huge bubble in the economy, a pony-based bubble. And of course, we all know that bubbles are awesome when they're happening. So this particular bubble is going to be reinforced, steel-belted, and last forever. Thank you very much. I'm Vermin Supreme, Ponynomics 101.
Thank you.
You're welcome.